Hey, what's up guys? I'm Valter. Welcome to my channel. Well, this is my channel about everything Thailand. A little quick introduction to today's video. I went to go visit a friend of mine who lives in Ayutthaya. He got a really nice collection of classic cars, and then after that we were going to go to a little car meet. But since I was already there, and my family and I decided that we were going to make a trip off of it and do a little sightseeing. Ayutthaya. It's a beautiful, beautiful city. It's a nice place to go chill out, nice place to have a good time, bring your family, a nice little getaway because it's only about an hour and a half from Bangkok. And there's a lot of temples, there's a lot of beautiful things to see, a lot of touristy sites to see. So if you go, you will have a good time. Thank you for watching. If you like what I'm doing here and you want to learn more about Thailand, please subscribe, leave a comment, tell me your experience, tell me a place that you would that you heard about that you would recommend to go visit. Tell me your experience with Thai people, the Thai food, the Thai culture. Let me know what you think, and you know, I'll be very happy to talk to you guys about it. Make another video about talking just about, you know, about your questions. Also share, you know, let's help this channel grow. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I enjoy making them, and I'll see you guys on the next one.